Hey everyone, it's Waitek here, and today I will show you guys how to texture and model swap skaters in Skate 3. The model swaps has not done before in Skate 3 and Skate 2, or even Skate 1. So I will basically show you guys how to do it in Skate 2 and Skate 3, and Skate 1 is basically the same. So you can follow along the Skate 2 tutorial for part for it in that bit. If I mess up anything, well, I will mess up something, but at the moment I messed it up a few times, but now I'll basically explain everything. I also have to open this for later. But what you want to do is grab your Skate 3 marquee. So you want to grab your Skate 3 marquee, copy, and download the Windows Big Guy GUI as well from the modding Discord. Open that, unpack, boom. This will unpack it. Now it's unpacked. You can open that, close that, and then go to RW2. Well, that's the folder for me. What's called RW4. It's the renderware 4 tool. And then grab your Skate 2 marquee. Make a folder called Skate 2. Drop it in here. Open this. File. Open. Skate 2. And then open. And then click on this. Right click. Unpack. And it will unpack it in here, I think. But you can also click on here. Unpack file. And it will be unpacked. Once you have done that, you can copy this, because we're going to combine both of them. Go to big file and then paste it in here. Replace those. Now it should be in here. Now we have Skate 1 and Skate 2 combined. Let me explain something, because this is a tutorial for Skate 3. You can, and this also follows for Skate 2 by the way. There's like skaters that have different options like hair, hat, inner torso organ, outer torso pants, and so on. If you want to replace something, you have to find a skater with the options you want to replace with. For instance, I want to replace the outer torso and pants from Skate 2. So outer torso and pants, I copy that, copy, and put it in the tutorial mail. You'll see later why I did this. And we also replaced the recipes from the Skate 2 one, so we have the Skate 2 skaters in Skate 3, which is pretty nice. And what we will do now is we will close this for now. And we will use the big GUI to repack this in a marquee. Yes, this will take a little bit. As you can see, it's 0 now, because it's combining both of those files. There you go. Now it did it. And okay. Now you can copy this Then go to your Skate 3, right click on it, open folder, game data. Ignore this one because you need the install folder. Use the R data content, put it in here. Yes, you want to replace it. Open this. I will also include the save range files. You will click on this one, the search icon, click on the Skate 3 one. Sometimes it's up to the top, sometimes it's down to the bottom. For me, it's here now. You want to keep the address and code list, yes. And then right click on this, browse memory region. I already have a skater replaced from the tutorial that I did before. Now you go into your content folder, recipe, marquee. I will take the tutorial mail recipe file, download HXD. You can find it on the internet. C, and then Control C and then Control V in here. Now I should have that skater. There you go. And what you want to do then now is from here, there's like in this range, there's a byte that you can change, so you can change all the things like the models and the textures. So you start from after the name from the first byte. So this is number 1 and you count to 12. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then you put a 2 here. Don't ask me why, you have to put a 2 here. And if you did it right, it will not crash. So I did it right and it will not crash. Now I can change anything I want. Now what I will do is go to the recipe files and I go to Rob. What I will Rob from Rob is torso. So I do Control F and then torso. So I found this outer torso. I will go behind there. And this is the tricky part. For some characters, you cannot like take the whole entire thing, but I will show you what you have to do. So you will highlight all of this, and after the normal, you count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will copy that and then go all the way to the top where it says torso. You copy it after the byte, Control C. Now you have to find it in Sheet Engine. Now we scroll down slowly. We will read all these things like there's feed and roster roll, skateboard, hands, head. If you can read it all, it's inner torso, but we want outer torso. Here's outer torso. Click on here, Control V, yes. Now it should work. See, now we have to check it from Rob. And what we want to do now is take the pens from Rob. Oh, look, the pens is right here. What we can do now is we can take this whole entire thing to the head and we see that it is here. So what we do is boom, and then boom, take that. And now we find the pens in here. Maybe you have to scroll up. Look, there's the pens. Boom, boom. I didn't copy it because I copied the byte. Now we do this, boom. Now we have the pens from Rob. Ooh, maybe you like the texture. I don't. But what I do, I will replace it. I find the texture in the tutorial mail. I scroll all the way up, click just on the top, do Control V, or find on keyboard, or F, sorry, dyslexic, hence the views, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is for textures. Boom, boom. Oh, you don't do that, you do it over here, sorry. Yes. Doesn't matter if you do it there, you just click array of bytes. Where you do it is you do it at the diffuse. See that number, boom, you replace it. And now you have the texture. You can do it with loads of things. And now I have my own custom little skater. You save it like this. Now that's done. On to skate 2. Same thing for skate 1. I will keep this. Okay. What we have to do now is go here. I will maximize this. Open this tool, file, open. This is for skate 2 and skate 1, by the way. We already extracted this. So if you have done that, then good. Now we take this, copy, and then paste it in here. If you want to replace all of those, data, content. You do the same thing for skate 2. So I will go to Rob, and then outer torso and pins. Copy those. Go to tutorial mail. Boom. Already have done this before, so ignore this. Then open this tool, file, open, and then open. By the way, put the marquee that you want to replace here. So I want to copy this and make a new one. I wanted to make a new one. So if you want to make a new one, you do that. Just you don't unpack it, you basically double click on it and then you leave it, and the bold. What's very important for Skate 2 is do this, build as big F, and then right click, open folder, and we go to data, select, build archive, and you click on the big file, and then save, and then yes. And that's gonna take a little bit. Now it's done. Now you copy these, go to your Skate 2 folder, open folder, disk game data folder. You will replace everything in your Skate 3 game. So make a backup of these two files. I don't. Then are you sure you want to replace? You replace. Then you can close this one. Then you go to open folder and then game data. Follow along. For this one, you don't have to make a backup because you can take it from that other folder. Then you replace it. Boom. I go into Skate 2. And you basically follow along. This will be the same as for Skate 3. Okay. Now you go to the folder where you have that stuff in, data, content, recipe, marquee. They take the tutorial mail. Use tutorial mail and then Rob. Do this, you copy this. And you go to your safe range thing, you open that. You open it, yes. Browse memory region. Put it in there, same as in Skate 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 11, it's 12. Put it in here. You have to do this blind because you cannot check it in there. That's why the Skate 3 first, because it's easier to see. Now we found the same thing, so we have to scroll down. Oh, we can do the pens already. Let's do the pens. So Control F, pens. We copy all of that until it says head. Where was I? Pens. There. Thought the game crashed, but it didn't. Diffuse. We copy that from the tutorial mail. Control pens. Control V. And then do on this Control Z. And then diffuse Control V. And then the torso. Torso. Outer torso. Same thing as in Skate 3. After this we count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where's the outer torso? Inner torso, outer torso. Boom, boom. And then it should work. There you go. Now it's working. Now you go out of it. Now you can save it. And this was basically the tutorial how to texture swap and model swap in Skate 2 and Skate 3. Hopefully it wasn't too confusing, and I hope you enjoyed it.